Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alexander. I'm a Porsche certified sales professional at Champion Porsche in South Florida, and thank you so much for watching my walk around videos. If you appreciate my YouTube walk around videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit that like button and feel free to comment down below. You can also contact me directly via cell phone or email with my contact information being in the video description. In today's walk around video, I'd like to present you this pre-owned 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe. This 911 just arrived at our inventory. It's currently part of our pre-owned inventory. And today's walk around video, we're going to highlight the build specifications on this nicely appointed vehicle. We're going to start with the exterior details, and later on we'll take a look on the inside. This specific one is finished in Vanadium Grey metallic, a launch color a few years ago on the 718 Spider RS, and now for the 992.2 generation, introduced in model year 2025, also part of the metallic paint choices. Beautiful grey metallic paint, has a little bit of a bluish hue to it, depending on the light spectrum on it. On the side of the vehicle, you can see that this one is equipped with the optional Porsche decal. It also has the optional Carrera Classic design wheels, inspired by the classic Fuchs wheels from back in the 70s. The beautiful 5-spoke, 21 inches in the back, 20 inches in the front. On the lower section here of the exterior, we can also see that this one is optionally equipped with the Sport Design side skirts. Another beautiful option, in my opinion, is that the lower part of the mirror has been painted in exterior color. Also around the windows, you can see this one has the silver window trim. So the silver decal, the silver on the 5-spoke wheels, and the silver window trim really representing that classic Porsche look. And it's also the reason why this vehicle does not have the optional sunroof, and therefore the solid metal vanadium grey metallic roof. Going to the front of the vehicle, we're going to see the 992.2 redesign of the front fascia. So the 992 generation was introduced as a model year 2020, was unchanged till model year 2024. And now the updated 2025 is the 992 Generation 2. Redesigned front fascia, intake system completely different compared to the Generation 1. Also the lights that used to be integrated in the front bumper design on the 992.1 are now integrated within the headlight design itself. Now therefore also the headlight design has been changed on the inner housing in terms of LEDs. I really like the way Porsche designed that LED spectrum. The hood and the fender design is the same, so it's most related to the headlight redesign and the front bumper redesign. The brakes have also been upgraded on the 992.2 Carrera, so now running the Carrera S sizing brakes, so larger front rotors, also a caliper now with 6 pistons instead of 4, so more braking performance on the new 2025 and 2026 911 Carrera. This one fitted with the Michelin tires. Getting to the back of the vehicle, again 21 inches on the back. So 20 inches in the front, 21 inches was introduced on the 992 generation back in 2020 and now carried over to the updated 992. Also the redesign of the rear taillights, very different to the Dot 1. Very three-dimensional effect going all the way across. You can see that this one was ordered without the model designation, so just the Porsche letters on the back. Look how wide the fenders are on the 992. Very different to the 991 generation, where we used to have a narrow body and wide body setup, depending on the two-wheel drive or active all-wheel drive. But now on the Carrera models on the 992, they all have the wider fenders. Look at the beautiful curvature there on the rear fender design. This one also optionally equipped with sport exhaust system. This is with the silver tailpipe design. So within the sport exhaust, there's active flaps that can open up to get the extra sound from the twin turbo flat 6. That's also one of the mechanical changes Porsche has made for the 992.2, running now the turbochargers from the 992.1 GTS model, and also the charge cooler is now a carryover from the 992 Turbo. So big changes to the engine when it comes to the turbochargers and the intercooler, and also we see a redesigned engine deck here for the 992.2. Engine power officially 385 horsepower in combination with Sport Chrono package, which this car also has, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Rear-wheel drive setup. Beautiful specification. Let's have a look on the inside. Many special options on the inside of this vehicle, starting with the 18-way Sport Seats Plus. This is the black cognac interior, the club leather option, with the black leather, as you can see on the top of the door panel, with the beautiful cross stitching. Let's get very close to that. Then this one also has the 930 interior package. You can see the beautiful pattern there in the door panel. The same also on the seats. You can see the special pattern in the center part of the seat. The Porsche crest embossed in the headrest as a factory option. The GT Sport steering wheel as a factory option. The leather steering column casing as a factory option. Seat ventilation, Bose surround sound speakers, sport chrono package. The seats are also heated. And we can see also this one has the underdoor pull light projectors. Mileage on the vehicle, just over 7,400 miles. In very nice condition. In this beautiful Vanadium Grey with Cognac interior. Again, my name is Alexander, Porsche certified sales professional at Porsche West Palm Beach. I want to thank you for watching my YouTube videos. If you like my videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. You'll also get updated, of course, on my latest uploads. Many Porsche videos to come here at the Champion Porsche studio. Many beautiful 911 content. Of course, we're also going to share the passion for the Porsche Panamera, the Porsche Taycan, the Cayenne, the 718 Boxster and 718 Cayman. And of course, the gasoline and electric Macan. Thanks so much once again for watching. Again, my contact information is in the video description. If this vehicle is of your interest, please reach out to me directly via cell phone or email. Keep sharing the Porsche passion, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.